Well, hello everyone and welcome to this reaction video. My name is CoolHand and as always, it's great to have you guys here with me. In this one, we are going to be watching some more Kenneth Copeland. Let's check it out and let's have some great laughs. Let's do this.
He said, we know what Jesus said. He said, wasn't anything else making any noise. Those angels were. Whoa. Would you want to know what the gospel is? Prove it. Now listen. I don't know how. Whoa. Now, amen. Well, I'll tell you what. Jesus is here. Amen. And the interpreter said, amen. Well, I just don't believe that truck is there. You know. They come across your mind. Shut up. If you will listen, I've got something to say. Amen. Do you have ears? He's got something to say. Amen. You know what that is? That's their flesh. You know, instead of walking up to the mirror and say, that ain't gonna work. Ah, there's the guy with the lucky ticket today. That when we speak his words, it carries his authority coming out. Trying to deal with them other spooks that was in there with you. And he said every time they'd come to a break, he'd say, and her face fell. There went the house. I ran into my study and shut the door and said, and we'll have the red flags and the blue flags and the hoorahs and the hoorays and a blah, 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 blah. We're going to have a chicken.
We hope you enjoyed today's teaching from Kenneth Copeland Ministries.
Oh, I did.
And remember...
Oh, I did. I tell you what, folks, this is going to be one of the funniest videos I've ever watched. Kenneth Copeland, Hack Numco, brilliant. It's not normally that we get to watch a burping preacher, but this was just superb. These videos just get better and better, and I hope you guys enjoyed this and had as much of a laugh as I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in the very next video. Thanks a lot, guys. And as always, you take care.